The most advanced firewall in the world isn't made of code. It's you!
And you are the easiest lock to pick. All it takes is the right voice. It starts with a shared interest, a cat photo, a favorite coffee shop. Information you thought was harmless is actually a weapon of rapport. Masterminds don't hack your computer. They hack your psychology. The friendly face gambit. A manufactured vulnerability.
They build a golden bridge of trust, one you walk across willingly. But the bridge leads to a trap, a breach you won't see coming. Social engineering is the dark art of persuasion, the hidden hand. In 2026, trust is the most traded commodity on the dark web.
Authority, scarcity, social proof, the levers of your mind. The strings are being pulled. Are you the puppet or the master? A voluntary surrender. The perfect heist has no fingerprints. The engineer presents as a solution to a problem they created. They know your fears. They know your greed. They know you.
A high-stakes game of psychological chess.
One mistake. Total compromise. The vault is open.
Your identity is the entry point. The password is your trust. Validation is a mirage. The ghost is in the room.
No alarms. No broken locks. Just a friendly conversation. Episode 6. Social Engineering's Masterminds. Unmask the Persuasion.
Protect your mind. Stay Sentinel.